How to fix GCash authentication problem. What's up everyone? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily fix if you're having problem with the authentication on GCash. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. So the very first thing that you want to do is go ahead and open up your phone settings and then scroll down a bit until you see your app settings. Now, once you land on your app settings, you will just have to go ahead and find GCash here. And once you find GCash, just tap on it. Now you're going to go ahead and clear out its storage. So click on storage and clear cache first, and then clear data. It will clear out all of the data and completely refresh the app. Head over to permissions and make sure that all of these permissions are allowed. And if your GCache is having trouble with authentication, then it is a good method to force stop the app, because if there is something running in the background, it will completely stop the app. After doing all of this, you can just restart your phone once and try to log in again. And after doing that, you should be able to log in without any problem. You can also make sure to go to Play Store and check for updates and make sure that the app is up to date. And after doing all of these stuff, you should be able to get rid of the authentication error. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next video.